Hi everyone, it's Carl here to do a festival review of the Cleveland Tallships Festival, and the last one was held in 2019. But yeah, they got definitely cool looking ships. They kind of look like they're basically something you see in like a pirate movie, Peter Pan. So yeah, definitely amazing festival. You get to go on these ships with the mission fee. It, so yeah, it's definitely worth it. These are like really interesting ships, very historic, and they sail around the world. I think they got some in Baltimore too. You can see like it's like a museum, Baltimore Tallships. But yeah, definitely great festival. Hope they bring it back to Cleveland. And they have great food, friendly volunteers work there. I was one of them at the last one they had. So yeah, definitely amazing festival. So yeah, definitely 10 out of 10 for this festival. So if you have any other suggestions of festivals you want me to review and film, let me know. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye now.